Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and check out where I am. This is our caravan parked on the street with a wheel clamp, because for the next 2 weeks we are moving from our tiny house on wheels, which is our home for most of the year. We are moving to bricks and mortar for 2 weeks. And no, we are not frustrated with a caravan, we don't have a nervous breakdown. Our parents are flying over to Spain tomorrow, so we decided we need more space and we all need a holiday from everyday life. And for us, it means a holiday from touring. And you know exactly that our trip is full of adventures, and probably for every high we've had during the caravanning trip, we had 2 lows. And for every wonderful moment, we had 1 breakdown. So we are really looking forward to simply relaxing. So we rented this house, and mi casa is tu casa. Come and have a look. Come and have a look where we are going to stay for the next 2 weeks. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, the house has 3 levels. So this is the ground floor. It's a lounge with a kitchen, fully equipped kitchen. Nice. And we have a utility room with a washing machine and all the cleaning bits and bobs. We even got charcoal for a barbecue. That's really nice. I have to say that the welcome pack is really nice. And look at this. This is so Instagrammable. Yeah. We got loads of goodies. So I think I can park my keys here. Right. There is a basement where you can keep naughty teenagers, but I will show you the basement later. Let's have a look upstairs. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms, 1 ensuite. This is access to the patio and the terrace. So that's a small double. And in every single bedroom we have an air conditioner unit which doubles up as a heater. So that's nice. Got a fitted wardrobe. It's really overwhelming having all this space. So we are now in a twin bedroom. Again, fitted wardrobe, a window. Let's check the view. Oh, the view is nice. Palm trees. And Marek fitting a security thingy on our caravan. So from this home we can see our home on wheels. So this is a bathroom with a bath. Everything is really clean and really nice. And where is the light switch? Yeah, so the bathroom is nice. And we also have a hairdryer. I left my hairdryer in England and I was missing it all this time. So I'm really pleased we've got one here. That's the master bedroom with ensuite. Where's the switch? Oh, there it is. There it is, that's better. Not bad, isn't it? But remember, it's not for us. We are not mad. We didn't rent this apartment. We didn't rent all this space just for the 2 of us. Our parents are flying over tomorrow. My parents and Marek's mom. So we are going to have a lovely family holiday here in this house. Yay! Making the most of beautiful winter in Spain. And look, you can see the sea from here, and the beach is just a short walk. It's literally a 10-minute walk, so we are so happy. Especially that, you know, Marek's mom is flying all the way from Poland. She will like this wardrobe. Marek's mom is flying all the way from Poland, and they've been snowed in for weeks now. There's like half a meter of snow, and the temperature is super low. It's like -10, -15 during the day, so it's absolutely crazy. Right, so let's I will need my keys to show you the terrace. So let's go downstairs and get them. The basement, which is just a wonderful area, absolutely massive. And it could have many uses, but our first thought was, perfect space for teenagers, gamers, people who like to exercise. There is a nice lounge area which we used as a dryer. This is really cool. And there is a twin bedroom. Where's the light switch? There is a lovely twin bedroom, which we haven't used at all. And there is also a bathroom. That's the roof. More palm trees. Oh, it will be sunny here all day long. And the sea view. We are so close to the sea and to the beach. And the pool. Yeah, this is the pool we can use. But it's not heated. So I doubt we will be using it, but we'll probably take some photos by it. Right. So this is our home from home. And honestly, after weeks of touring and staying on campsites with our caravan, it has its charms, it has its appeal, it's an adventurous activity, but this just feels so relaxing. And my favorite comfort of this house, my favorite utility here is definitely a washing machine. This is something I was missing the most during our caravan travels. So not a toilet and not a bath, but a washing machine. So tomorrow I will be doing an epic wash, because most of those campsite washing machines, they are pretty awful. And if you imagine how many people share 1 or 2 washing machines, it's pretty gross. And yeah, I don't like them. I hate campsite washing machines. So yeah, for me, the biggest appeal and the biggest luxury of staying here is having our own washing machine. And before I go, you may be wondering, and I bet you want to know, how much we paid for all this. We paid about £1,000 for 2 weeks. And this was a pretty good offer in this area, because El Campello is very popular. And this was actually one of the cheapest houses on Airbnb. This is our 3rd house. We provisionally booked 2 other houses, but this one came up almost in the last moment because they had the last minute cancellation and the price was reduced, and we loved the location and we just grabbed it with both hands. So this is a tip for you, because we booked the initial houses back in, I think, September, months ago, and we always choose the option free cancellation. So if plans change or if something better comes up, we can change our booking, we can cancel our booking and book something else. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I will definitely be enjoying myself here with Marek and our family for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, and I bet that by the end of the stay we'll really miss our caravan and adventure. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. If you have any more questions regarding this property, shoot in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It is free and it helps us in a big way. Thank you guys, and hasta la vista.